I remember when I saw you January. It was sunny.
Di ba tayo
Not a cloud inside. I remember in the meeting we were laughing while I was falling for those big brown eyes. The door was closed.
Aki at babae at sinabi, dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama't ina at magsasama sila ng kanyang asawa at sila'y magiging isa. At hindi na sila dalawa, kundi isa.
That's our love. That's our love. That's our love. Ito ang araw na inantay mo ng kay tagal. Buhat nung
You have been through a lot in your life, in your relationship. And I believe you have been through a lot. Marami kayong pinagdaanan na sinubukan ang tibay ng inyong relasyon, ang tatag ng inyong pagsasama. But you never gave up. You never gave up on one another.
milyon na tao dito sa mundo ay may nag-iisang nakalaan pa sa'yo. Siya rin ang dahilan ba't mga dating sininta ay di ipinagkaloob sa'yo ng tadhana. Saksi niyo nating mga pamilya kaibigan sa harap ng ating Diyos na makapangyarihan. Dahan-dahan kang naglalakad.
For 5 years, you have been through a lot. I know that the journey of being together is not smooth. I know there were times that your relationship had been tested and tried. Pero alam ko din na hindi kayo nag-iisa sa inyong paglalakbay. Mamaya sasabihin ninyo, for better and for worse, remember that God is there. Mamaya papagitin ninyo, for richer and for poorer, remember that God will always provide. Mamaya papagitin ninyo, in sickness and in health, remember that God will never leave you.
Tantananan, tantananan, ikaw lang ang babaeng aking papakasalan. Tantananan, tantananan, aking makakasama sa magpakailanman. Ang pag-ibig na hinanap ko ng kaibigan. Nahanap din kita, nahanap din kita. Ikaw pala sinta, bigay sa akin ng Diyos na lumikha.
And muli, palakpakan po natin pakinggan ang kanilang napakaganda at nakakakinig na simple extra video powered by